In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a basement in Planner 5D. Unlike some other features, there is no direct option to create a basement, so you need to use a simple workaround. In this method, your first floor will actually act as the basement, and then you will build the main house level above it. To begin, create a basic structure for your first floor according to how you want your basement to look. This will include your walls, rooms, and layout. Once your base structure is ready, the next step is to make it look like a basement. Go to the Build section on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to the Windows category and look for basement-style windows. These are usually placed higher on the wall. Add multiple basement windows around your structure to give it a realistic underground appearance. After that, you need to create ground around your house so that the basement appears partially below surface level. For this, go back to the Build section, select Forms, and choose a cube shape. Place this cube beside your house and then go into its style settings. Change the top surface to a ground texture, such as grass. Now adjust the size of this cube by increasing its width and depth so it covers one side of your house. Then raise its height so that it sits just below the basement windows. This creates the illusion that the ground is covering part of your basement walls. You can switch to 3D view to fine-tune this height. For example, a value around 140 centimeters may work depending on your wall height. Once done, copy and paste this ground structure and place it around other sides of your house to surround the basement. For the front area, you can create another cube, but this time apply a concrete texture instead of grass to represent a driveway or entrance area. Next, create a new floor by hovering over the floor name and clicking on New Floor. This will act as the main floor of your house above the basement. On this level, you can start adding doors, windows, and rooms as needed. To create access to your house, go to the Build section and add an entry door on this upper floor. Then, go into the Stairs section and add a small staircase at the front so that people can walk up from ground level to the main floor. If you notice any alignment issues, such as stairs being too high or ground levels not matching properly, you can adjust their elevation or height settings. For example, you can use negative elevation values to lower objects slightly until they fit correctly. If you want to create an entrance to the basement from outside, you can add a garage door. Go to the Build section, select Doors, then choose a garage-style door and place it on your basement level. After that, create a driveway by copying your concrete surface and placing it in front of the garage. To make the driveway more realistic, you can slightly tilt the front surface. Select the concrete piece, adjust its rotation while holding the Shift key, and lower its elevation a bit to create a sloped effect leading into the basement. Finally, switch to 3D view to review your entire design. You should now see a realistic basement structure with ground surrounding it, a main floor above it, and proper entrances. With this method, you can effectively simulate a basement even without a dedicated feature, and this is how you can create a basement in Planner 5D.